enough to manage two different identities and two different brands completely. Having worked with another French brand, Paco Rabanne, last year, taught me how to deal with two different identities coming out of one person. So I think I'm pretty much managing well with the two brands, Indian by Manish Arora, which is getting quite big, plus the Manish Arora Paris, which is also getting better and better every season. And I think I can, for the moment, I can manage to deal with the two, even though they're quite the opposite. Yeah. This is actually about my trip to a festival called Burning Man, where I've been wanting to go for the longest time, and last year happened to be my 40th birthday, and I gave that to myself as a birthday present. And so I ended up going there, and it was quite a life-changing experience.
Actually, this show is completely from Manish's eye or camera.
It's
After
his
you see it,
personal
I think
experience.
yeah, his
I
personal
think
experience.
the audio visuals are going to spell that because it's actually him through the journey.
And I think the music, the highlight track.
Yeah.
And it's doing all live percussion and it's
And it's
based
full
around
energy, like
yeah,
from the
it's
beginning to the end.
again, it takes you back to Burning Man and his journey.
It was more than I ever imagined, and more than anything else can be.
I've been traveling a bit, so I haven't seen everyone together in the same place. So it's really good to be back and connect, and it's just like 10 days of girl time, like lots of female bonding, which I absolutely love. So me, Bhavna and Erica, we had this secret little fashion party for all our friends. We all work really hard, and we're all looking for fun places to go to after you finish a long day and you just want to be around people that you know. So we thought, let's just, do a little happy surprise party for everyone, and that just came together because Bhavna knows a couple of DJs and her friends helped us organize the party. So it was just that simple and fun.
We met 7 years back, and then we got along well. Our aesthetics met, and the temperaments met, and we thought, why not? Let's do it. Let's have a brand of our own.
Meghna is strong with colors, I'm strong with textures, so we kind of trust each other on those aspects. But other than that, everything is pretty much what we feel. It's like a growth from one step to the other together all the way. I think the brand is easy.
There's a lot of harmony, very organic and very wearable.
मुझे लगता था कि मैं बोल नहीं सकती हूँ, लोगों के बीच में बात नहीं कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है फ़ैशन क्या होता है। और सब कुछ मैं कर रही थी, सब ठीक कर रही थी, बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स था, लोग पसंद कर रहे थे, सब कुछ हो रहा था, लेकिन एक सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं था। 10 साल बाद मैंने यहाँ से फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनिंग किया दिल्ली से, 2 इयर्स का फुल कोर्स। तब मेरे 2 स्टोर में रन कर रही थी बॉम्बे में, और बिज़नेस के साथ कोर्स, और तब मेरी डॉटर भी थी 1.5 ईयर ओल्ड। तो उस 3 चीज़ों के साथ में मैंने अपना फाइनली फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनिंग कंप्लीट किया, और उससे मुझे जो कॉन्फिडेंस मिला कि अब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आ सकती हूँ, क्योंकि फ़ैशन में स्टडी करने के बाद एक डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन मेरे काम को मिला, और मैंने मुझे इस बात का कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो सही है।